Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to create an NFT marketplace and deploy it in Coinex Smart Chain. So Coinex Smart Chain its parent is basically Ethereum, but what its advantages is that the fees in Coinex Smart Chain is very less, and its speed is very high compared to any other chains. This we are gonna deploy it. So in this code I will give the description below. You can clone the repository and open it in Visual Studio IDE. And what are the changes you need to do here is that you have to configure this hard hat. So first, in order to use this package, you need to install some sort of packages like ethers, which we'll be using for pricings, and hardhat is a environment which we are going to use for solidity compiling, and these are the dependencies of hardhat. And we are going to use map3 model, and open discipline is where we will be used for using the contracts, where we'll be calling the functions from the original contract. And ipfs is where we will be storing the files. For that we'll be using this package, and axios is where we'll be using the wallet access, everything like that. So yeah guys, next is that these are the front end we are going to use, dependencies we are going to use. So we can install it using this command. So I will provide the commands in the description below. And yeah, these two commands you need to do. After that you can skip this, and you have to compile it. But before that, what you are going to check is that this data we have actually set it for Coinex Smart Chain with the chain ID and RPC. But what you have to do is that you have to set your private key. So this private key where you can get is that you can go to your MetaMask, and you just need to you can just click account details, export private key. You need to enter your password and confirm. You will be getting your private key. You just need to copy that, and you click here, create a new file, and name it as secret, and you press enter. I already created the file, so I'm not doing that. So I'm just, for your reference alone, I'm just creating a file with sc secret one, and you have to paste the secret key what you have copied in the API key. You are pasting it here. So that's a configuration part for hardhat and deployment of spot contract. And what are the things is that you need to note is that yeah, before deploying you need to you can name your smart contract anything. I have named it as NFT mod, and I given the symbol as NFM. Okay, so after that what we need to do after configuring everything is that you need to just compile it using npx hardhat compile. So if you compile, you will be getting two set of additional, which is known as artifacts. And yeah, that's it. Next, you need to run the node. You will be getting like this. You can ignore them. It's basically the original library contains this set of testnet wallet and their private key. So you can use them to test it on their testnet. Ethereum Rospen testnet, you can check them. That's why they have given that. You can skip this part, and what you need to do is that you had to script run this deploy.js file with this network which you have confirmed it as CSC. Why we are giving CSC here is that we have configured it under the name of here you can see with this JSON key value pair as CSC. So you can run it here. So it will take some time. So yeah, so this is the contract that has been deployed to. So it will be logging this deployment contract address, and it will be keeping it under the config.js, which you can use it for future references. And the files index.js on front end also uses this marketplace constant value. And yeah, this has been deployed. You can check this out even. You can just copy this and go to coinex.net. You can paste it over here. Yeah, it has been deployed. Next, what we need you can see there is no transactions actually before. Next, what you are going to do is that you can run this as a dev. Once you run, it will be starting within the local host. So guys, what you need to check out is that one thing, this front end, the UI is actually deployed in this system only. It's not as a public domain. And this contract has been deployed in Coinex Smart Chain and is available over. Everyone can use it to deploy in this NFT Mart smart contract. But this UI alone has been deployed in the system, and you can only see it now. So yeah, it will be available in public domain. We can make a video of how to make this localhost into a public domain server. So I going into sell NFT. I named it as first NFT first. Yeah, like that I'm giving. So choose file. I'm going to upload this file. So price for I'm just doing it for checking. So I'm giving it as 0.1 CET and I'm just creating. So it asks for pay. So I'm just paying this. So the fee you can change it here. I am just giving it for 0.025 CDS. I have allotted the fee for using this platform marketplace to sell this. You have to pay 0.025 CT. So transaction is completed. You can see here. So it's basically it will be coming under the home. You can click buy here and you can also buy it again. So I have not included the auction like that. So it's a basic marketplace where any user can sell his NFT and another set of persons can buy and he can sell his phone. So if you check the dashboards, right, you can see like this. It's going to be a cool appearance UI where you can see your NFT and its price. If you want to buy, right, you can go to home. It's like explore. You can buy it out. So yeah, this is point one, and this is the gas fee. You can confirm it. So once you confirm, we can see it under my NFTs. Let's wait the transaction to be over. So yeah, it is over. We can see it in NFT. So there is no item in home, but you can see it in your NFTs. You can again list it out. You can do whatever you want here. With your NFT you can see it in your wallet, you can check them. So you can also check here the transactions here. So total, yeah, there is only one NFT right now, one holder transaction. There has been two transactions taken place. This is the creation, but you see I have deployed it NFT and I have again bought it from NFT form. So that's it guys, thank you. We'll be seeing in future videos how to deploy this marketplace in the public domain, and the other playlist which includes the how to create a NFT mint, create a minting website to mint your NFTs, that is also available. So for both this video combined, we will be making we will be making a video of how to launch this local hosted one into a public domain. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye.